All right, we're going to be keeping a very close eye on this, and if there's any developments, we're going to go right back to it. In the meantime, let's go to Berkeley County, South Carolina. Corporal Yacobosi there has
got a kid.
Spotted something.
Central 721, 54. Boy, it's a full wheel. He's taking off. He's going on the power lines. Right there behind Sangre Middle. And he's gone. He's following the power lines where they all run to. Surprised he made it. Looks like he had a kid in the back though. So we went to go stop this this ATV. He's riding on a sidewalk. He's sitting there. Yeah. I can't tell if he's still in there or not. I see the headlights. I'm gonna take a walk in there. Is he coming back? I hope he is.
CFS comments and
He's coming back. You didn't hear me, eh? Yeah, he's got his kid. You didn't see me.
Well, I didn't hear you
Bro.
until I kind of turned around. Sorry.
Let me see your ID. You ride on the sidewalk, you got your young and he ain't got no helmet.
I know, we kind of do it a lot in the neighborhood.
Yeah, he came back. He said he missed all the blue lights.
I really didn't. I mean, we're in the woods. We were just over there, kind of coming back, and then once I got over there and I saw the lights, I was like, oh, let me. Yeah, I got confused and turned around. And
I mean, you got the. Don't lose that now. You don't got the. You got the youngin on the back, bro. I mean, silly. I heard you say. Yeah, I heard. Listen. Listen to me. I'm not going to chastise you for your youngin, but the fact that you didn't, I don't believe it. I will make it worth your while tonight. All right. I'm not sure if you're going to go to jail. I'm going to call DSS. I'm still thinking about it. What? Yeah, for the youngin. Well, I mean that is absolutely silly, silly. Just silly. Stay with this deputy right here. I'm not sure if he's going to jail or not.
all right, as he decides what to do there, let's go back to Richland County, back to Master Deputy Perez, where they are continuing to search for that suspect who fled from a home invasion and then got in an accident and ran away.